Good evening, everyone. Camps will be set up to registered complaints of consolidation problems. Special camps will be set up in the village to resolve problem related to consolidation during this time. Complaints will be taken from the people and they will be resolved according to the law and rules. Agriculture Minister Shyam Singh Rana has given such orders while presiding over the meeting of the district public relations and grievance committee. During this time, out of the complaints raised, he got 9 resolved on the spot and kept 10 pending for next meeting, gave instructions. So while listening to the complaint of Pichopa Khurd in the meeting, he said that no injustice will be done to anyone regarding consolidation and any problems of the will be resolved in the correct and legal manner. He said that a large number of people of the village have complaints. In such situation, special steps need to be taken. On the instructions of the minister, Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma asked to set up a special camp in the village. Complaints of the people will be taken in the camp and all the complaints will be resolved correctly according to the rules and laws. On the complaints lodged regarding illegal mining, the minister has formed a committee and directed for investigation. CTM, DRO, mining department officials have been included in the committee and instructions have been given to include the complaint in the investigation. Also, the department has been asked to investigate and said that the report to headquarters immediately. On the complaint of getting the government land registered in an illegal manner, the agriculture minister has instructed the DMC, DRO and DSP to investigating. Also, the municipal council has been asked to provide all the documents for the ongoing investigation by the economic branch. Regarding the illegal colony, he has made available in investigation done by the SDM to the complaint. If any after this complaint is not satisfied, then action will be taken again. On this occasion, District Council Chairman Mandeep Dalawas, Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, Superintendent of Police Ash Verma, Additional Deputy Commissioner Dr. Munish Nagpal, BJP District President Sunil Engineer, STM Dr. Virender Singh and Manoj Kumar along with the officials of the various departments and members of the committee were present. Prime Minister Apprenticeship Fair will be held in ITI today. Under the Prime Minister National Apprenticeship Scheme, a fair will be organized in Rawalpindi ITI today, in which many renowned companies will participate and youth will be selected for apprenticeship. According to the spokesperson of the institute, the Prime Minister National Apprenticeship Fair will be organized at the Government Industrial Training Institute Rawalpindi on Friday, June 20 from 10 a.m. The objective of this fair is to provide apprenticeships and opportunity to train the youth so then get practical experience and industries and get employment. 20 reputed companies are participating in this fair, which will be selected for about 1,000 posts in various traders. Selected candidates will be provided reasonable and attractive stipend by the companies. All interested candidates can participate by bringing their biodata, photocopies of educational certificates, Aadhaar card and passport size photo. Companies like Takahata Precision India Limited, MRF Tire Limited, SPM Auto, Toyotsu Ambika Automotive Safety Component India, Padgate Electronics Private Limited, Dispone Electric Appliance Singe Private Limited, Alentic India Limited, Haldiram Snacks Private Limited, SPM Medical Care Private Limited, Uno Mida, Boletralba, Mark Exhaust System, Masu Brake Thirds Private Limited, Busser Hydraulics Private Limited, Salorap EPP India Private Limited, Dynamic All India Private Limited, Lookmax Industry Limited, Traya India Private Limited, Sri Ram Piston and Rings Limited, and Musashi Auto Parts Limited will be participating in the fair. IGANU launches MSCC in Development and Attraction Management course. Now you can do PG in Home Science through IGNU. Indira Gandhi National Open University (IGNU) has launched the first PG program in home science subject. Its name is MSP in Community Development and Attraction Management. This course of 2 years and it will be taught in English medium in open and distance learning mode. It includes subjects like community organization, development communication, maternal and child health, gender and field research. The first year students are taught topic like development theory, community organizing, media and development and ICT, communications tools at extra, and they will also have field practice project and can talk optional subject in gender and rural development. The second year will include subjects like training and development, child and mother health, social behavior with research methodology. The course also include a research project. Students have to get a minimum of 20 credits to pass. According to the credit system, an average of 30 hours of study is required for each credit, which includes classwork, assignments, self-study, project work, and exam preparation. IGNU Regional Director Dr. Dharampal informed that this course is for students who have graduated in home science, social science, behavior science, community science, and any other subject who want to work in the field of community work, social development, skilling, and rural development. Application for admission in MSc in Community Development and Extension Management has to be done by visiting the official's website. The fee for this course is 7,000 per year. This also includes registration and development fee. After doing this course, students can choose their career in various fields, including program, project officer in government and international organizations, NGO, CSR, social enterprises expert, PGT teacher, skill development, related work, researcher and teacher in academy institutions at extra. The last day for admission to various IGNU courses is 15 July 2025. Villages with a population of more than 5,000 will get 1 crore for installing solar panel equipment. To encourage Gram Panchayats to make them model solar villages, the government has started an ambitious scheme under which the village installing the most solar panels will be given a social grant of 1 crore rupees The scheme, including 16 such of the district watch population is more than 5,000 according to the 2011 census. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the Prime Minister Surya Ghar free electricity scheme is being run by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. One component of the scheme is Model Solar Village, which aims to be build a model solar village in every district of the country. The 6 month competition to adopt solar equipment in selected villages has started from May 26 and will run till November 25. 2025, the best performing village will be made a model solar village. Works will be done in the public interest in the field of solar energy in the selected villages. Additional Deputy Commissioner Dr. Munish Nagpal said that in the meeting held under the chairmanship of the Deputy Commissioner, a committee has been formed at the district level to speed up the scheme Pradhan Mantri Surya Ghar Free Electricity Scheme, Pradhan Mantri Kusum Solar Water Pumping System, solar street light, grid connected solar power plant schemes being run by the energy department have been included. The panchayat taking benefit of the scheme will be selected for model solar village. And the meeting with the officials, the deputy commissioner has instructed the superintendent engineer to run awareness campaign in the villages through all the sarpanches and gram secretaries. Under the scheme, villages in the district include Barda, Sawad, Bondkala, Ranila, Sanjarwas, Ginger, Achina, Charki Dadri, Chapar, Imlota, Rawaldi, Samaspur, Chidia, Jojukala, and Kadma. Samadhan camps are proving to be effective for resolving problems. Samadhan camps started by the state government with the aim of quick resolution of problems of citizens are proving to be effective for resolving problems. Samadhan camp was organized in the auditorium of Mini Secretariat on Thursday. Presiding over the camp, Nagaradhis Jitendra Kumar listened to the problems of the citizens present seriously and directed the officers of the concerned departments to ensure timely resolution of each complaint on priority basis. He said that public service is the top priority of the administration. Samadhan Camp is a powerful medium to establish direct communication between the administration and the general public, which strengthens transparency and accountability. He said that Samadhan Camp is a part of the statewide campaign run under the guidance of Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini, which aims to provide smooth, transparent, and quick administrative services to the general public. Farmers should level agriculture land with government lever machine. Deputy Director of Agriculture and Welfare Department, Dr. Jitendra Ahlawat, said that a laser leveler machine is available in the department, which will be used for leveling work in the farms fields at government rates this season. Interested performers should submit a photocopy of Aadhaar card and a challan of 110 rupees over fee. 5 kilometer of alive along with their applications form. The farmer taking benefit will have to deposit the fee for a minimum of taken overs. He said that an additional fee of 3 rupees per kilometer to have be paid for traveling more than 25 kilometer. The cost of diesel will be borne by the farmer himself. During this work, about 5 liters of diesel is consumed in an hour. The work will be done by the department by setting laser level machine and tractor to the farmer's field. By leveling the field with the help of laser leveler machine, there is a uniform spread of water, fertilizer, and pesticides in the field, which increases production and save 20-25% of water time and electricity. So, thank you very much, friends, for watching PPT News. And friends, I am humble request, please subscribe our channel PPT News. Then, so take care. Bye. See ya. Namaskar. आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, जय हिंद, जय भारत, टेक केयर.